Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 4868. This form is your key to getting an automatic 6-month extension for filing your federal income tax return. It's important to remember that while it gives you more time to file, it does not extend the time to pay any taxes you might owe. You still need to estimate your tax liability and pay any amount due by the original tax deadline to avoid penalties. Anyone who files an individual income tax return can use Form 4868 to request an extension. The most crucial step is to file this form by the original tax deadline, which is usually April 15th. However, there are some exceptions. If you live outside the United States or are in a federally declared disaster area, you might have a later deadline, so always check the specific guidelines for your situation. Filing Form 4868 electronically is often the quickest and easiest method. You can do this through various tax software programs or with the help of a tax professional. When filing, you will need to provide your name, current address, social security number, and an estimate of your total tax liability. Many electronic filing options also allow you to make an electronic payment directly from your bank account at the same time. If you prefer, you can also mail a paper Form 4868 directly to the Internal Revenue Service. If you are sending a payment, make sure to include a check or money order with your mailed form. Remember, filing this extension helps you avoid penalties for filing late, but it does not protect you from penalties for paying your taxes late. Always pay your estimated tax by the original deadline.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.